Hey everybody, welcome back to Onesixtyfourland with another unboxing. This time, Auto World 2023 Premium Release 2 Case A. This is the A case. So second release in 2023. This one is going to include the second version of the minivan casting that Auto World released. This time it's going to be a Plymouth, but we'll get to it in a moment. I got this sealed case from 3000 Toys. They didn't send me anything for free. I just like buying sealed cases, and as far as Auto World goes, they're usually a pretty good vendor to get them from. And yeah, let's see if we got a ultra red, right? 3% of production is going to be the ultra red version, which is a nice. Here's the 1985 Plymouth Voyager. So the initial release was a Dodge Caravan, and now we have the Plymouth Voyager, and this one's great. It's in radiant silver. It has an unusual silver interior, which is cool. All right, first release of our new Plymouth Voyager casting, 74 to 83. The Voyager nameplate was used on Plymouth full-size vans. Nice little fun fact there. Cool. Looks like the tires popped off the wheel back here. Kind of see that. Not a problem. Goes right back on. Put that to the side. All right, so next up we have, let's see, the Autumn Bronze Poly, not an ultra red, 1966 Oldsmobile 442. Sharp looking car here. Like that. Looks like it's got color matched wheels in the card art, but just standard chrome wheels here on the car. Nice. Okay, what do we got next? Let's see. You know, it's been a while since I pulled an ultra red. Excuse me. Let's see if not today. So this is the 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Moab edition, finished off in Crush, which is orange. See, it's got Moab on the side of the hood there. It's got nice white leather tires, black wheels. Neat looking Jeep there, four-door hardtop. I was kind of hoping it would be called Mango Tango. That's one of my favorite JK colors. Next up is the 1985 Chevy Silverado Fleet Side in black. This is on the lower chassis, and this looks great with those steel style wheels there. I like it. I like it a lot. Nice. Truck Life on the license plate back there. Pretty cool. 2 more to go. I don't know. We're gonna get an ultra red. Oh, that's okay, because Palermo gray poly is the color you think about when you think about a 1987 Mitsubishi Starion. Am I right? I mean, that's great. Contrasts nicely to version B is in black, and that looks great. Okay, last one. I don't know. I'm not feeling lucky today. Which one did we get? Oh, the Firebird. There you go. Expresso brown. It's got the white vinyl top. That's a nice color, actually. 1969 Pontiac Firebird. It's got those cool wheels there. Excellent. Okay. So again, this is 2023 Premium Series Release 2 Version A from Auto World. You got the new van here. Well, not the new van. Second release of the van. You got the second release of the Starion. Or actually, maybe it's the first release. Was the first release of the Starion. I think the first one was the Conquest, right? Got this nice lower chassis truck. Got an orange Jeep. So that's it. All right, thanks for viewing. Check out my other videos. You can see version B as well, and we'll see you in the next one.